Why is price testing so important? You might recognize this graph from your economics textbooks many years ago. What it basically says is that as the price of a product goes up, the demand goes down. As the price is lower, the demand is higher. So if you want to sell a lot of something, you should price it lower. But the problem is, as you price it lower, the revenue is also lower. So somewhere in the middle, there's a sweet spot. There's a magic price point which maximizes revenues. And that's what we're looking for. But those things are hard to find. Because there are not many good ways to find that out. The most common way is that the management team sits in the boardroom and then the hippos basically decide what the price should be like. Right? Usually there's some competitive intelligence behind that, and I'm sure they give it a lot of thought. But there's not much data behind it. It's kind of guesswork. Another popular way is customer surveys, but as most of us in the room know, customers lie. What they do is often different from what they say. So asking about price is not always accurate. And then there are more expensive methods available. You know, like McDonald's will roll out a product in a certain branch at a certain price, and if it works, they'll roll it out larger. But not every company can do expensive things like that. So for most of us who have limited resources, online testing is a great answer. You can get data fast, you can get lots of data to back it up, and it's affordable and quick to implement. It's very easy to find a good graph and show it to your hippo and they'll be impressed. So that's why we recommended online price testing for a client named Genopal. Okay, they were about to launch a software product, and they were 72 hours away from the launch when I got the call, and basically they hadn't decided how much to price it at. Everything else was ready, the website, the marketing copy, the actual product, which took a year to develop, but they hadn't decided how much they wanted to charge. They had 3 price points in mind. So they wanted to get some more data to back it up to decide what price to sell this at. Now on the technical side, they had a pretty normal website. They had a homepage. The homepage drove traffic to different pages on the site. Eventually people ended up at the buy page where they completed the checkout. Okay? It's as simple as e-commerce checkout on a website gets. You don't need anything special for Website Optimizer and price testing. But if there's one thing that you do need to take note of with Website Optimizer, it's this. You have to really minimize the noise. So for that client, we kept everything in the multiple versions of the website same. Everything except for one button. Okay, and that's that button that says buy it now, only $24.95. So the only thing that different people saw differently was the price on that button. Everything else, the USP, the copy, the site design,